download backpack app, so you can download it, you can use it, use backpack exchange. So they also have an exchange like Binance Bybit. I don't know if I guess, oh, you need a backpack wallet for it. I guess it has launched already. Oh wow. You can see the recent tweets about that beta launch stats. So you see this beta launch backpacks exchange. You see they're talking about it, a 15-minute videos. So yeah, they're doing pretty much great. They're active 24 hours attempt. Last all volume is 2.2 million, which is very big. The total collection you can see here. Total collection is around 10k, which is 9,996, and out of them only 374 NFTs are listed. The owners are 4.38k, which is like 43% difference people, and that's it. The top offer you can see here. So before buying, if you wanna buy, you just gotta have this amount of Solana in your wallet, add funds, and then just buy it. If you wanna sell it instantly, so normally if you wanna sell, you gotta update here, list it, and when someone buys your NFT, that's when your NFTs got sold. But you can actually instant sell. So in instant sale, you get 142 soul if you sell, and the top rate you get 241 soul. That's like instantly you get sell. You just sell your NFT, and you don't need a buyer, another buyer to sell. So there are offers, you see, AMM. So there are other things you can see it. The royalty is set 4.2%. So what's the royalty? Royalty is basically you pay fee to the creator, so this goes to the owner. So yeah, again, these are the top NFTs right now, like with the most volume and all. And NFT is recently like pumping really hard in Solana. So there is launchpad drops. You see the launchpad drops. There is a NFT here, so you can actually mint it. Explore collection. Total minted. The mint price is 0.05 soul, and this is their art SS dash sweepstakes 1. It is on public, and 10% is already minted. I guess it's by the team or whitelist or something. Starts in 9 hour and 17 minutes. This is a project. But I guess it's not famous because people unlisted last was 0.023. 0.023. Alright, and the mint price 0, so it's already under the mint price. So you should not mint this. So also, um, you can just read about the project before just going buying in. If you go to the Discord server, and there will be white paper and roadmaps all, so make sure you just go and read it. So next is there is Tensorians, which is NFT, which is currently sitting at 62 soul price, which is 4.42% up in the past 24 hours, and the 24-hour volume is 13k. 24-hour sales is